like you said, the main thing is to make it easy for that operator, the frontline worker, to get that information and escalate it up the chain easily.
Yes, and what I would, love to see in the future is it would be nice to have it digital with the updates. But we just started all of this, like I said, 3 months or so ago. So what I would like to do right now is take these next 5, 6 months, build the habit. We've already identified on those boards things we'd like to change. And these boards were purchased a little bit before I started, and the boards are a little over $1,000. So I'm like, I'm going to buy markers, magnets, and cover up the stuff we want to change. So like when this does, and that's goes back to my previous point. I do want to eventually have everything digital, but right now we can make whatever adjustments we want to these boards. So let's get them right. Let's make sure it has the information we want to have, and then it'd be great to have a spot where they can update it, and we can look at it anywhere. Don't necessarily have to walk on the floor, but there is a part of me that believes in having the manual process of writing it and forcing people on the floor to see it. It's the whole idea of Gemba, on the spot, because sometimes if you make it easy to not go out there, you won't go out there and you lose focus of where the company is making money.
Absolutely. In your picture of your future vision of how this works, you're on step one. And I think what you're talking about there is like step 3 or 4. So you have to get the process
Yeah,
going before you can start introducing these changes to improve upon it.